Good morning, students. Today we will study about long answer questions. First, how does the value of a resource change from one category to another? Give examples. The answer is the kind of value may differ from one source to another. One source might have economic value, whereas the other one may have aesthetic or natural value. For example, waterfall has an aesthetic value, but when it is used to generate electricity, it has economic value. There are certain resources which can become economically valuable with time. I have told you one example that waterfall has a aesthetic value of example of waterfall. Now it is your duty or your work to find the second example. Question number 2. Classify resources into various categories with an example of each. Types of resources. There are 3 main types of resources: natural, human-made and human. Natural resource. The classification of resources can be done under the following categories: on the basis of their development, on the basis of their origin, on the basis of their renewability, on the basis of their distribution. Now first, actual resource. Example is petroleum in West Asia. Second, potential resource. Example is the reserves of uranium found in Ladakh. Third, biotic resource. The example is fish and other animal products. Fourth, abiotic resource. The example is land, water and air. Fifth, renewable resource. The example is solar energy, wind energy. Sixth, non-renewable resource. The example is coal, petroleum and natural gas. Seventh, localized resource. The example is mineral and iron are found. Coal and iron are found in Bihar and Odisha. Eighth, ubiquitous resource. The example is air, water and sunlight. The man-made resource. Technology developed and used by humans is a man-made resource. Human resource. The most important relevant resource is human beings. What do you mean by resource conservation? How can we conserve resource at home? The resources should be used carefully and judicially so that they are not exhausted. If we are exploiting these resources, then we should give them time for renewable. This is known as resource conservation. We can conserve resource by many ways. The consumption of non-renewable resources such as coal, petroleum, etc. should be reduced by using public transport and carpool to go to office or school. Certain products such as old newspaper, magazines can be recycled into paper. The paper bags and cloth bags should be used, that we don't need a new bag every time we go to market. Write down the principles of sustainable development. When we balance the use of resources with their availability, conserve them for future generation, this is called sustainable development. There are 3 principles for sustainable development: reduce, recycle and reuse. Reduce, recycle and reuse. Reduce means to reduce the uses of non-renewable resources. Recycle means to recycle the old newspapers, magazine to get a new paper, and reuse means to using paper bags and cloth bags, so we don't need a new bag every time we go to market. Human beings are considered as the most important resource. Explain in brief. The most important relevant resource is human beings. It is the human beings who use their skill, knowledge, technology and labor to utilize the resource. Therefore, people are human resources. The development and economic prosperity of any nation mainly depends on how they are utilizing their available resources. It is education and skill development of the human beings that is known as human resource development. Your this question answers are completed. Now NCERT corner. These 4 question answers you have written before in your notebook, such as why are resources distributed unequally over the earth. So you have write answer in this. Why do you think resources are unevenly distributed over the earth? So all the 4 you have written before, and you need not to write these again. Now tick the correct answers. Which one of the following does not make substance a resource utility? Which one of the following is a human made resource? Medicine to treat cancer. Complete the statement. Those which have limited stock. Renewable resources are non-renewable resources are those which have limited stock. Now you have to do this activity yourself. रहीमन पानी राखिए बिन पानी सब सून पानी गए न उबरे मोती मानस चून. Says Rahim, keep water as without water there is nothing. Without water pearl, swan and dove cannot exist. These lines were written by the poet Abdul Rahim Khan Khana, one of the 9 gems of Akbar's court. What kind of resources is poet referring to? Write in 100 words that what would happen if these resources disappear. मीन्स आपको ये लिखना है कि इसमें पोइट ने किस टाइप के रिसोर्स की बात की है, और 100 वर्ड्स में लिखिए कि अगर ये रिसोर्स डिसअपियर हो गया, मतलब अगर पानी हमारे जीवन से चला गया तो क्या होगा इन इंग्लिश. ओके, सो in next video we will study the next chapter, land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife. Thank you.